Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to reference in a rig. So let's get started. First, download your project, put it on your desktop, posing with an advanced rig. Open it up, go to Scenes, click on Test. Sweet. Now let's set our project so that everything can work. File, Set Project. File, Set Project. Click on Posing with an Advanced Rig. Set. That's very crucial, so make sure you do that. Now we can reference in the character. So File, Reference Editor. File, Reference Editor. You should get something that looks like this. In the top left-hand corner, go to this diamond with a plus sign. Now you can reference stuff in. If you set your project, you should get Current Project to the left side. Click on Assets. Now, in the Assets folder, I gave you 4 additional folders, depending on which cartoon you want to work on. I'm just going to click on the first one, Looney Tunes. I'm going to click on the one I want Bugs Bunny, and reference him in. Reference him in. Take a second for it to load. And there he is. Got Bugs Bunny. Sweet. Now he's not colored, so you want to make sure this textured button is on. See that? This textured button right here. Now, because we set our project, all of his colors are already set and ready to go. If we did not set his project, or this project, none of these textures would appear. Now, in this test file, I'd really advise you, or would like to suggest, that you guys play around with the rigs you're interested in. For example, Bugs Bunny. I'm not going to go through all the rigs, but Bugs Bunny has additional outfits. So if you click on this bottom main control or global control, you can go to the channel box, and he has a carrot you can turn on and off. So if I move him to the side, you can see his carrot. Oop. Let me just zoom in. There we go. Look, he has a carrot. They can use as a prop. He also has some other things you can use, like different outfits. A swimsuit outfit. He also has a another outfit, opera outfit. If you guys watch Looney Tunes, you might have seen these outfits before. Pretty fun stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off. And one last thing I want to review is how to create a image plane. So go to Create, top left-hand corner. Go to Free Image Plane. Free Image Plane. I'm gonna drag this back. With the image plane selected, go to the Attribute Editor on the right side. Click on this folder, and this is where things are a little different. Now, for all these textures to work, they're all located in the Source Images folder. So I did not want you guys to put reference images in here and be lost, so I made an additional folder called Reference Images. And click on that. Now you can find the pose that you need. So I gave some default ones you guys can use. For Bugs Bunny, I got this one, his character sheet. You can open up that, scale it up. If you have other iconic poses for your character that you would rather use, just check in with me so I can approve it, and then, yeah, drop it in that reference folder. You should be good to go. And the very last thing I want to show you guys is some of you don't want this to move, which I completely understand. You don't want to click on it, you don't want to move it, you just want to mess with your character. So once this is up, go ahead and go back to the channel box, go down to your layers, and click on this little square with the circle. So this will create a new layer with the assigned selected object. So the only thing selected is the image plane. Click on that. It'll make a new layer. And make sure you click on the far right box and make it R. Now it's referenced. See? Can't click on it. Great. You can double click it rename it. Just for better organization. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Play around with these advanced rigs. When you have to resave your project, go to File, Save Scene As. Make sure you save it as Pose1 or whatever I have on the Google Doc. So double check your stuff, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Have fun.